Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Teacher Zul. So today I'm going to show you guys one activity that you can do with your children. Say alphabets with their phonics. So what is phonics? Phonics is actually the sound of each alphabet. So each alphabet has their own phonics, has their own sound. So by the end of this session, the children will be able to know each alphabet has their own phonics. So today we will be focused on U, G, U, M, U, P, and UP. So the segment is how to teach. So first you prepare a medium. You prepare the alphabets U, such as this U, T, U, M, U, P, U, T. So you prepare these alphabets, or you can write using A4 paper. And then you introduce the phonic sounds for each alphabet. So you have to introduce the U sounds. U, U, G, G, M, M, P, P, T, T. So that are the sounds, the phonics of these alphabets. So what you are going to do with your children to increase their motivation, so by singing. So later on I will explain and I will demonstrate to you how to sing the alphabets. And if able, number 3, provide a picture or the real figure such as umbrella. You need to prepare the umbrella. And if like M for man or M for monkey, so you can use picture of monkey. Okay, prepare like this. So you let your children sit in front of you or standing in front of you, and then you sing with him or her. You close this one first, and then you say U for uncle, U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for umbrella, And then you start with G. G, let's think of G for good and G for grass. G, 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 G. G for good and G for grass. G, 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 G. And then you flip the U again, and then you sing together with your children, and then you let them to sing by their own. So this is the U and G, and then you proceed with the rest of the alphabet. So for this one, let's say U for uncle, U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for umbrella, M for man and M for monkey, M, 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 M. M for man and M for monkey, M, 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 M. This is for UM. And then you can continue with UP. With the UP and UT. That's all from me. Thank you.